Grabe ka naman sa akin, Nay. Nay, wag po, Nay. Yun, welcome back na naman sa ating channel, mga pre. Ngayon, maglalaro na naman tayo ng isang nakakilabot at nakakatakot na laro. At naglalaro tayo ng alas 2 ng madaling araw, mga pre. At ang mas malupit ay mag-isa lang tayo. Wala tayong kahit na sinong kasama. At tignan natin kung kakayanin natin to, mga pre, no? At kung bago ka lang nga pala sa channel ko at napanood mo to, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Tulungan nyo po akong ma-reach ang 100 subscribers ngayong buwan. Ano pang inihintay natin? Let's go! Wala akong idea sa laro, mga pre, no? Nakita ko lang to. At kung ano yung mataas na ratings, yun po yung nilalaro natin. Kaya, tignan natin kung matatakot tayo dito. Grabe. Grabe yung intro. Putik, nakakatakot. Yung intro pa lang nakakaano na eh, nakakaba na. Yan o. Ano yun? Pag pinindot ko yung B. I just hope that the stuff been hearing about the news doesn't come anywhere near the burger shop. Zoom in. Ano yun? Finally here. Oh. Ano to? You receive a new text message. Open your phone in your inventory to view text messages. Paano? Okay, 1. Pinutin yung phone. Jerry, the manager. You're scheduled to work the night shift starting tomorrow. Don't forget. Yeah, I remember. Hey, have you made it to work yet? Yeah, I just got it here. Okay. From the local retirement home are missing. Oh, no. Okay. Ano to? Dito ba yung pintuan? Ba't ang lapit ng camera? Oh, tik na yan. Okay. CR. Lapit na camera mo yun po. Bakit ano? Hindi ba itong pwede zoom out? Zoom in. Ah. Walang zoom out. Oy, ano yun? Anong gagawin natin dito? Okay. Time in. Okay. Putik. First day of work, men. Graveyard. The alert that some kids that were volunteering. Okay. Ano to? Uy. Tuloy ko ba to, mga pre? Tuloy pa natin to? Lagi ba't sobrang lapit naman ito? Paano ito anuin? Cheeseburger bun beef patty. Okay. My guide. Thank you, boss. Hello, ma'am. Good morning. Hello. Hi. What would you like to order, ma'am? Putik ang ingay, yung ingay mo. Huwag ka nga dyan, huwag kang maingay. Burger. Anong burger sa'yo, ma'am? Deposit. Ayaw. Okay. Ayaw, men. Okay. Burger. Bun beef patty. Kuha muna tayo ng ano dito. Kuha tayo ng stock. Ano kuha ng stock dito, men? Uy. Kagi tumataas yung bahibo ko. 3. Okay. Last stress na madaling araw may umorder ng burger.
What are you doing?
Agi, ba't nasusum, men? Susum, right click lang yung ano, nakakalingon yung mouse. Ano yun? Wala po. Okay. Yeah. Wait lang. Ilagay natin dito. Burger. Bun beef patty. You're welcome, ma'am. You're the best. Pangit maglakad. Makinig muna tayo ng kanta. Makinig muna tayo ng kanta, mga pre. Abby. This shift seems like Abby work. Okay. Hello, sir. Good morning. Ang gusto mo, sir? Okay. Wala akong paki sa'yo. Cheeseburger. Okay, copy, sir. And soda as well. Copy that. Okay. No problem, boss. $4 lahat. Sa akin na lang yung 1 cent. Cheeseburger. Bun, beef patty, and cheese. Kuha muna tayo ng stock dito sa wrap. Cheese. Where I can find that cheese. Ano yung cheese dito? Ayan. Soda. Soda daw. Okay. Prepare na natin lahat ng mga pre. Cheeseburger. Eto na, mga boss. And your soda, sir. Here's your soda, sir. Yan na po yung order nyo, sir. I'm sorry, sir. Mabagal pa yun? Di mag-leave ka, sir. Wala akong pake sa'yo, sir. Kagi. Bilis ko na nga magluto, eh. Sobrang bilis ko na nga magluto. Kinisyon mo pa ako. Negro ka ba? Hey, boss. We just received a new review and it wasn't very positive, to say the least. Step it up. I don't want to have you to write you up or fire you. Okay, boss. Gagi, nag-leave nga ng review. But I didn't even give that customer poor service, boss. The customer is always right. Now I suggest you get off your phone and get back to work. Boss, nag-text ka sa akin, boss. Hello po. Sino po yon? Walang customer pero may ingay. Oh my goodness. Investigate the noise out back. What the heck? Mama. Gagi. Yun. Boss, ba't mo ako ginulat, boss? Bakit, boss? Anong ginagawa nyo dito? What are you doing here, lady? Boss, lalaki ako, boss. Hindi ako lady. I've been calling you for you out here. Don't you remember me? Hindi kita kilala, boss. I don't know who you are. Bakit sino ka ba? Hindi kita kilala, boss. Oh yes, you do. I'm your grandmother, sweetie. Putik. Babae ka pala? Kala ko lalaki ka, men. Listen, lady. Bakit? Kilala ba kita? Anong sinasabi mo sa akin? What did you say? Putik si Lola yun. Uy! Nagbabala siya sa akin, mga pre. Papakinggan ba natin yun? Okay, manood mo daw muna tayo ng ano. Mas maganda pa nga, manood muna tayo.
This is your local news station, reporting live to inform you about a local missing person.
Kala ko ano, men. Dito kasi sa amin, flood control eh.
Missing person is an elderly woman by the name of Edna Hargrove. She was declared missing after staff at the retirement home she resides in noticed she was gone.
Ah! Ito yung nakausap ko kanina eh.
The retirement home is also the last known location of the children that were reported missing earlier today.
Gagi, ito yung nakausap ko kanina, pre.
Edna have told us a little about her, mentioning her love for baking, as well as her past struggles with mental disorders. The local authorities are asking the public for help to find Edna, as well as the missing children. If you have any information on the whereabouts of anyone, contact the authorities immediately. That's all we have to report for now. We thank you all for tuning in to this emergency news report.
Ayun na natin yan. Ano kaya pwedeng i-report yun? That look pretty similar to the person who was at the back of the store just a moment ago. Ano natin pwedeng i-report yun, mga pre? May customer na naman. Hello, boss. Morning, boss. Ba't wala kayong book, boss? Yes, boss. Bago lang kasi ako, boss. Well, I just started working the night shift. This is my first day. First night. I see. What is your order, Kalbo? Ano daw? Ano yung order niya? Ano order mo, bossing? Isa mo na po. Tagal mo. Here's your order, sir. You're welcome, boss. Subukan mo mag-bad feedback sa akin, puti ka. Yung buhok mo, mawawala yan. Yung buhok mo sa gilid, mawawala yan. Hello po. Good morning. Ikaw po yung matanda kanina. It's you again. What you hear again? I'm hungry. I was hoping you should help out your poor grandmother. Again, lady, I'm not your grandchild. Also, weren't you just on the news? What's your name, by the way? Eden. Okay, Eden. Oh, Agatha. Oh, that's a great name, ma'am. My name is My name is Jumbo. Ay, my name is Badang. That will cost $3 para may kupit ako. Hindi pwede, ma'am. Kakabago-bago ko lang eh. Papahamak mo ko. Kulit mo, tigu. Kulit mo, Lola. Okay, bukas ka na lang pag may pera ka na. I know you must be tired working so hard this late at night. I decided to bake you some fresh chocolate chip cookies. I use my own secret recipe. In Edna. Okay, Edna. I think I should text Connor about this maybe. Yo, yeah, I'm awake. What's going on? You remember that lady on the news, the one missing? I think she's stalking me or something. She broke in and left me cookies and a note. She keeps insisting that she is my grandma too. Oh, what? This is crazy. I'm going to head to the burger shop in just a moment. I don't want you to be there alone. Especially if that crazy old lady is stalking you. Thanks, Connor. I really appreciate it. I thank you so much. Connor is here. Ay, salamat, nandito ka na. Okay na naman ako dito. Hindi na siya bumalik, Connor. Thank you so much for that, Connor. Kaya ko matatakot ako dito, mga pre. Pero subukan natin tapusin to hanggang dulo. Gagi, pinatay niya si Connor. At mo siya sinaksak. Gagi. Gagi, sinaksak na si Connor. Gagi, pasok na siya. Pasok na siya, mga pre. Gagi. Gagi, lalabas ba ako? Hanip na yan. Nay? Nay! Gagi, sinulog yung sakyan ko. Gagi. Grabe ka naman sa akin, Nay. Uy! Nay, wag po, Nay. Uy! Ganun lang yun, putik na yan. Di ako na-inform, mga pre.